Welcome to our YouTube on the basics of Forex trading. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of currency exchange? Let's dive in. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. Trillions of dollars are traded here every day, making it the largest financial market in the world. One of the unique features of Forex trading is that it operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means you can trade currencies at any time, giving you the flexibility to fit it into your schedule. Forex trading allows you to trade on margin, which means you can control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. This is known as leverage. But remember, while leverage can amplify your profits, it can also increase your losses. So, use it wisely. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and use proper position sizing to ensure you have a balanced risk-to-reward ratio. Remember, education is key. Continuously learn and refine your skills to improve your trading abilities.